Kimberly. I am a certified bioenergy and sound therapy practitioner and founder of Rays of Life, a wellness practice that brings beauty to your life through unique soundscape experiences. My passion is to support others on their wellness journey by offering tools that promote deep relaxation, emotional clarity, and inner peace. So whether that's through in-person sound baths or digital experiences, I deeply believe in the power of sound to awaken healing and transformation. Over the past several months, I have been using the Solu New Origin Waveform, or N.O.W, tone therapy system, and I have personally found it to be a beautiful way to feel more focused, peaceful, and grounded, even on the busiest of days. I've also been using their Tone Stream, Solu's live streaming app, and it's been extraordinary in helping me concentrate while working on projects at my computer. Because of the powerful results I've experienced, I created the Solu video series to help you discover how this technology works, why it's different, and how you can integrate it into your own life. So if you're looking for natural support for stress and anxiety, more focus, or assistance with meditation, or you simply want to feel more centered, I invite you to watch the full series. And when you're ready to purchase your own tone therapy system, be sure to use my affiliate link and enter the code RAYS10 at checkout to receive a 10% discount. And don't forget to also view my free companion resource guide for extra tips, research, and inspiration. You'll find everything in the description box below. Now let's dive in. In earlier videos, I shared how Solu's New Origin Waveform tone therapy system can be used as an effective method for relieving stress and anxiety. I also explained how to incorporate it into your mindfulness practice and explored various ways to integrate the system into your daily routine. I discussed the benefits of owning your own tone therapy system and introduced you to Solu's live streaming app, ToneStream. In addition, I shared some insight into Solu's founder and offered a deeper look into how these beautiful harmonic tones are created. And I outlined many benefits of using the tone therapy system and its companion, live streaming. Today, I'm going to take you through an unboxing and demonstration of the tone therapy system. I'll show you what comes in the box, how to use it, and offer even more integration ideas so you can experience its full potential. I'll also share some suggestions on who this system is best designed to support. So this system is nicely packaged in a very sturdy box that you can maintain for storage. And if you prefer, a travel case is also available as a separate purchase. So when you open the box, you'll find the Quick Start instruction booklet. Lots more fun information to read here. A nice polishing cloth. And then next, you will have the two speakers. So these are palm-sized, and they have a nice shiny finish to them. And they're just really beautifully designed. And then also, in the bottom, is where you will have the two charging cables, one for each speaker. So you can charge them independently or at the same time. You will immediately notice the excellent craftsmanship and the quality materials. The speakers, they are enclosed in this smooth chrome, which reminds me of those sleek therapy rings. And as you may know, touching soft, smooth surfaces can also help promote relaxation as well and reduce stress. So it just feels really nice to run my fingers along the sides of each speaker as I hold them. And the speakers, they have a really nice weight to them. And when you listen to the tones, you'll notice that the sound quality is really great. So On the bottom, each speaker has a power button. And to turn them on, you just firmly press the button until the blue light appears. And you want to press both speakers at the same time. See the blue light? And certainly within a few seconds of each other. And so this triggers a 3-minute session of randomized harmonic tones. And at the end of 3 minutes, the tones will just fade and the system turns off automatically. So there is a second button that has a plus sign on the back here. And this button is to adjust the volume to a higher setting before returning to the base volume. In total, there are 3 volume settings. And at the back of each speaker, you will see a USB charging connector and a micro SD card, which stores the audio files the system uses to produce the tones, so be sure not to remove those SD cards. Yes, and again, they're on both speakers. And right next to the SD card is where you will see the blue light turn on when you power on the speakers. And so these speakers, they hold a charge for several weeks depending on your usage. However, there is no battery life indicator, but it's easy enough to recharge. And a red light turns on when you are charging them. You will know that they are fully charged when the red light goes off. The nice thing is you cannot overcharge them, so feel free to plug them in overnight and charge them regularly for your peace of mind. Now, every tone session is completely unique. You'll never hear the same sequence twice, and that's because these tones were hand-played to a meditative state by Solu's founder, Michael Jolie, using modified instruments tuned to a note of A at the 432 hertz. If any conscious thought entered Michael's mind while playing, he discarded the session, so what you hear is pure intuitive sound. These are super easy to use. You just simply turn them on and you start listening. There's no internet, no cables are needed. They're very portable. And the great thing is there are no recurring costs, no monthly subscriptions. You only make your initial investment and that's it. And with the intentional 3-minute session, it makes it easy to commit to the experience and easily establish a meditation practice. You can place the speakers near your ears. You can place them on your chest when you're lying down or beside your body. And some people like to hold them in their hands. And in this way, you'll not only hear the tones, but you can also feel the vibrations. The goal is not to think, but just listen. Listen to the tones, listen to the space between the tones, and that space is where transformation often begins. After just one 3-minute session, you might feel calmer, clearer, more emotionally steady, or deeply grounded, and certainly less annoyed, less stressed, and more focused. The effect is gentle but very powerful. Just think of this as a quick reset button for your nervous system, your focus, or your emotions. Some other ways you can integrate this technology into your daily life might be the first thing in the morning to set your tone for the day, before meditation or prayer to quiet your mind, during a lunch break or between work calls, as a part of a wellness session like massage or Reiki or energy healing. I personally use them with my sound baths. You can take them with you to use on a hike or for an outdoor meditation experience, before sleep to relax your body and ease your mind, and after a stressful event for an emotional reset. And they can even be used with kids, students, or other family members to help with transition times. The system is especially supportive for individuals who experience anxiety, stress, emotional overwhelm, PTSD, or for those who have difficulty meditating. It's also very helpful for trauma survivors, neurodiverse individuals, and anyone looking to quiet mental chatter, or gently regulate their nervous system. It is also perfect for those who have lots of job stress, for those that have very little time to meditate, or for self-care. The simplicity and accessibility of the system makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced wellness seekers. And remember, the Solu Tone Therapy System doesn't require any app or subscription to use. You simply press play and listen. So let's take a moment now to listen. Close your eyes, settle in, and receive 30 seconds of these beautiful tones. Listening to these tones and engaging in a daily meditative practice is a lovely way to bring more beauty to your life. If you would like to learn more about Solu's New Origin Waveform Tone Therapy System, check out my free resource guide located at my website, raysoflifesoundtherapy.com. Click on the Sound Therapy offerings or Learn More menu options, and you'll find the Now Tone Therapy System link. Also, be sure to watch my other solo video series to learn more about this technology. My video series is being released over the next few weeks and will be available in a separate playlist, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of the next release. And remember, if you're ready to purchase your tone therapy system, use my affiliate link and enter the discount code RAYS10 at checkout to receive your 10% discount. Now, in an upcoming video, I'll wrap up the series and share some final thoughts. The complete playlist is linked right here. Many blessings.